Let's see how to reset Apple iPad password if forgotten. In the first step, open Settings. Later, select Face ID and Passcode, then choose Change Passcode. In the next step, tap on Forgot Passcode. After that, provide Apple ID details. Then complete the on-screen steps. In the next step, plug iPad into a computer. Now launch Finder or iTunes. Now pick your iPad from the list. In the next step, press Restore Device. Next, approve the request. Later, allow the process to complete. In the next step, configure iPad from scratch. Next, log in with Apple ID. Now retrieve data from backup if possible. You are good to go.